Hey guys, how's it going? This is your pal, the fabulous four-fingered freak. That's right. You know it. Now, today, we're going to do another taste test. We're going to do the Mountain Dew Pitch Black, baby. That's right. And we're going to taste it in my Bubba Gump Shrimp Company glass, which I got during my trip in New York. That's right, baby. Oh, check it out. It's got this cool light at the bottom. Check it out. Changes from red to blue. Can you see that, guys? Like pink, red, blue. That's pretty cool, right? So, as usual, we're going to taste this, right? And we're going to rate it on what, guys? You should know this by now. We're going to rate it on the color, which in this case is quite obvious. The smell, the taste, and the bird factor. And as you heard already, the freak is having a really, really good birthday. All right, now, before we go into this, I got one little word, one little cool announcement. In my next video, I will tell you guys who gets to win the Pepsi Blue hat, the sweepstakes for the Pepsi Blue hat, autographed by me, the freak, which I'm going to send to one of my fans. That's right. So, one of you lucky fans is going to win the Pepsi Blue hat sweepstakes that I announced, a few months back. And I had stated that as soon as I reach 100 subscribers, that one of you would win the Pepsi Blue hat autographed by me personally. A one-of-a-kind item. All right. And I've checked all of my messages that I received from my fans, and I can tell you right now, there are two fans who deserve to win. Ellipsis and Squid. It's going to be between one of you two guys. I assume you're guys. I don't really know whether you're a guy or a girl. I don't know. Anyway, it's going to be between the two of you. One of you is going to win the Pepsi Blue hat autographed by me. All right? And in my next video, I will announce who the winner is, and I will announce why. And, thanks to all of you fans who look at my videos, like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. I do this for fun. Actually, I don't make a single penny out of my videos yet. But, hey, let's have fun before this shit hits the fan and everything blows up. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, here we go. Mountain Dew Pitch Black, baby. Let's check it out. All right. So, I'm going to do color first. Now, usually I buy a can, so I can't see the color beforehand, right? In this case, it's obvious. Now, since they call it pitch black, I expect this to be pitch black, right? It has a purple, like a deep purple. They're cool, they rock. A deep purple color. Can we see through it? No, we can't. That's why it's called pitch black, although it is not black, right? It's more like a deep purple color. So, for the color, I will give you 3 out of 4 fingers, which is pretty good. The only reason why it's not 4 out of 4 is because it's not black, goddammit, it's deep purple. Alright? Alright. Next up, the smell. Smells very citrusy. Standard smell. Okay, standard smell. What does it say here? Oh yeah, pitch black citrus punch. Can you see that right here, guys? Alright, so yeah, citrus punch, exactly. Definitely smells of citrus. They didn't lie. At the same time, it's not like, wow, what a crazy awesome smell and, super original. So, for the smell, I'll give it a 2 out of 4 fingers. They didn't lie, but whatever. Yeah, whatever. Now, the taste, baby. Yeah, my favorite part. And your favorite part, the burp factor, is coming in right up. Okay. Not impressed. Oh, guys, if you're wondering, yeah, man, I got a plaster here. I got some banged up fingers here. This one, too. Banged up. This one is banged up. It's been a rough week at work, let's say. So, sorry about this, but hey, it is what it is, man. A guy's got to work. I got a family to feed, like most of you out there. So, anyway, here goes. Yeah, I'm not really impressed with the taste, nor the burp factor. All right, so yeah, this tastes. It's like very sugary, but no particular taste, like the gingerbread snapped that I tasted for you. That was cool. The mystery flavor, which was very cotton candy, that was great. Anybody who has tasted the Code Red, the classic Code Red, knows the flavor. It's, it's unique. This is just, I don't know. It's like a very sugary Sprite or 7-Up. Very, very disappointing for the taste. And burp-wise, well, we've had better too, right, guys? So, for the taste, I will give this, unfortunately, a 1 out of 4 fingers. Very disappointing. All right, let's finish this up. Yeah, or the flaming hot Mountain Dew that I tried last summer. That was cool. That was original. Oh, biggest burp yet today. So, yeah, man. I mean, Mountain Dew, pitch black. Quite disappointed, actually. All that's left is the burp factor, baby. And see, know what I mean? It's not even pitch black. It's a deep purple color. Smells average. Taste meh. Burp factor. Guys, this, I think, will be the most disappointing Mountain Dew review yet. I'm very, very sad to say this, but because when I found this at my my local grocery store, I was like, holy shit, you know, they finally have it. I've been looking for it for a while. They finally have it. I bought it, you know, thinking about you guys. Finally, I get to this video and totally falls flat. Very, very sorry about that. So anyway, that's it. Burp-wise, what did you guys think? Not that much, right? I feel generous. I'll give it a 2 out of 4. So I don't recommend it. Go buy some Flamin' Hot. Go buy some mystery flavor. Like I said, the ginger snap was fucking awesome, guys. What else? Even the pineapple one. Woo! Awesome. So, hey, it is what it is. Now, because this review has been very disappointing, I will do a real big burp right now, just for you guys, for you fans, to finish this video on a positive note. All right, here we go. What was that? You want more? All right. All right. So here's one last burp, and it'll be a big lip curl burp, baby. That's for you, Ellipsis. I know you love my lip curl burps. Here we go. That's right, baby. So, that was pretty cool. That was for you, Ellipsis. So, like I said, next video, guys, be here. And it's going to be the sweepstakes for the Pepsi Blue hat. It will go to Ellipsis or Squid. I love both of you guys. Everybody, please like, subscribe, comment, give me suggestions for more videos. Guys, enjoy the time that you have with your families and friends. And, you know, just have fun while it lasts. This is your pal, the fabulous four-fingered freak, saying, for life, baby! Yeah.